Step by step, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, step by step. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive in step by step. Step by step is an adverbial phrase that describes a process happening in stages, one after the other. It implies a methodical, careful approach where each stage or part is handled individually before moving on to the next. It's often used in instructions or when explaining complex processes to signify that something is done in a sequential and understandable manner. To better understand step by step, let's look at some examples. 1. Learning a language. I'm learning Spanish step by step, starting with basic vocabulary and then moving to grammar. 2. Cooking a recipe. The cookbook explains the recipe step by step, so it's easy to follow. 3. Building or creating something. The instructions for assembling the furniture are laid out step by step. The phrase, step by step, is versatile and can be used in many contexts. Educational materials, to break down complex subjects. Instruction manuals, for products that require assembly. Self-help guides, to describe a gradual process of improvement or learning. Project management, to outline the phases of a project. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for step by step include sequentially, gradually, phased, piece by piece. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase step by step more confidently in your English communication. Remember, learning a language is itself a step-by-step journey. Keep practicing, and you'll see progress. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.